Hey guys, this is Mayank Pal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add custom alerts on your iPhone. So, what are custom alerts and why they are used? For example, whenever you want to have a new notification or alert, whenever someone special or someone close to you texts you, then you want notification for them, right? Whenever someone from your family messages you, you want a separate notification for that. To make sure that this happens, you will need to make custom alerts on your iPhone. So let us learn about how you can make custom alerts on the iPhone. So go ahead to the settings app of our iPhone. For example, if I want a specific message tab or a specific sound on the messages tab, then I'm going to go ahead in the sounds tab. There you will find a number of options that I'm going to select from. You can see there are different options that I can select from. I'm going to keep this at note. Similarly, if I want to change the banner notification or banner call of the Melodista app, then I can choose this from too. You can choose all the sounds and notifications from the different options. Now, if you want to set a notification sound for a specific contact, then you can do this from the WhatsApp app. For example, if I want to set a notification for this contact, then I'm going to go ahead in the wallpaper and sound options. From there, I can customize the different tones that I can select on alerts. You can see all these notes are available for me to choose from. I'm going to set Aurora option and then save on it. You can see the alert tone has been set to Aurora. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel for more amazing content. Thank you. And also check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried.